Good evening, guys. Welcome to Cerebellum Academy. Today we have Shrikant sir, Faculty of Anatomy. Right now we are playing some rapid fire questions. So, are you ready, sir?
Okay.
Sir, my first question: what's your favorite food you can eat anytime?
Dal chawal of the home
Mhm.
and just any homemade vegetable created by my mother or my wife.
The best year of your MBBS?
My entire MBBS was very horrible because I belong to the village side and Hindi medium.
Mhm.
So I was never getting the good marks in my MBBS time.
So, my next question is: what you prefer, sir? Tea or coffee?
Tea,
If you are not a doctor, what would you be, sir?
actor and poet.
Why, sir?
Because I'm having lots of the interest for the acting, and when I was doing the acting in my college, I was getting the 3 times the best actor, and I was the literature person of my college, and the Mr. College I was there, and I was having the offer from the movies at my local state also.
Sure, sure.
These are
One myth you want to break down right now about this exam?
about the exam. What is happening that nowadays students are going for the short. But actually, the concepts are very necessary. Concepts are very necessary. But today's generation, that students and the teachers, we all are going towards do the short the content. But actually, the story is that we cannot build the concept, we cannot build the theory.
How student can improve their GT score?
They can improve the GT score first thing by giving regular GT and the analysis.
Okay.
If they are doing any mistake, they have to note down at any copy and they have to revise that mistake, why they are doing this mistake and how to improve that one. So this
Okay.
is important.
Sir, describe Cerebellum Academy in one word or one sentence.
Family.
Thank you, sir.